Hi there, my name's Edgar. Once you've set up a new service and/or stock items in Salon by Premier Software, you will want to set up its price. So today I'll be showing how to get to grips with setting up the pricing structure or fees using Salon. First, log into Manager if you're a single site business or Administrator if you are multi-site. With the exception of courses and packages, you'll need to head to Pricing Structures to set up or amend the cost and sales of any items or services. To get there, head to the Financial menu and then click Pricing Structures. To create a new pricing structure, first click the site you wish this to be applied to. If you have more than one site, then click the green plus in the bottom right. Here you can set up a start date for when you wish for the new prices to be applied from. Use the drop-down menu to set this. You can also set an end date if you wish, but it's best to leave this blank. If you're thinking of setting up a promotional price period and wish to use the end date, you can do this through the Promotional Prices menu instead, rather than under Pricing Structures. Under Prices, you can click Create New Prices if you wish to set up new prices for all your items, meaning you will have to enter these in item by item. Alternatively, you can click Create New Prices based on existing prices, which will use the prices for all items currently in your system, selecting these to be based on those on your current site or another site. Click the green tick when you're done. Your new pricing structure will then show at the bottom of the screen, which you can then highlight. Should you wish to make any amends to your current pricing structure or new service or stock on this structure, don't worry, you don't have to set up an entirely new pricing structure. Simply click the tabs at the top to find your item, such as a service or stock related item, find the row, and then under the relevant column, such as standard price, you can amend the price. Click Confirm once you have made your amends and yes to any pop-ups that may appear. You can also amend peak and off-peak pricing in this way, as well as any differing costs depending on which staff member carries out a particular service. Now you know how to set up and amend pricing within Salon. For other how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos. We also have several social media channels for you to follow for regular content at Premier Software. In the meantime, check out our other videos and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.